Hey traders, in this video I'll show you how to track and execute crypto arbitrage opportunities using a powerful free tool. If you've ever wondered how people profit from simple price differences across exchanges, then this is for you. Before we can even take a look on crypto arbitrage opportunities, let's just define what is arbitrage. It's simply taking advantage of price differences on a commodity. So if you bought a sneaker for $100 locally and go sell it online on eBay for $135, you'll be pocketing a cool $35. So you've just seen opportunity buying low and selling high for the same commodity. So that's simply what arbitrage means. So this idea of arbitrage always happens on the crypto market. If you spot them, then you can actually execute on them. And there are tools that help us to track these opportunities. There are free tools and there are also paid tools. We just want to look on a free tool that helps us to track these opportunities so that we can now execute on them. So what is this tool that we are going to use to track the arbitrage opportunities on the crypto market? So this tool is called CoinArbitrageBot. So what is CoinArbitrageBot? This is simply a free web-based tool that now shows us real data, live market price differences on exchanges. It shows this live data based on the centralized exchanges and also the decentralized exchanges. That's why I like CoinArbitrageBot, because you are not stuck on just the centralized exchanges, but you can also track the decentralized exchanges themselves. You can take opportunity by buying a coin on a centralized exchange and selling that same coin on a decentralized exchange. And the same way you can now track data on centralized exchange and sell on centralized exchange. So with CoinArbitrageBot, you will be able to execute both centrally and decentrally. So here's the website. Just go to coinarbitragebot.com on top here. So once you are on CoinArbitrageBot, this is what it will say: check arbitrage opportunities. So this one majorly helps you to check on arbitrage opportunities, and you can see there are so many exchanges being tracked here. So just need to choose what will be available or suits you. You don't have to really track everything, because when you're tracking everything, then it means you are tracking nothing. So just choose those exchanges that you use. So for me, I created recently Maxi account, and it's one of the best exchanges that I found arbitrage opportunities on. So you just need to toggle off what you don't want. For myself, I don't use Ascendex. I just keep it off so that I don't really track what I don't need. I can leave the others and then just go with what I want. So once you have the exchanges toggled on or off, then you choose your base currency. I believe this one should be this one. You can see where it says select base currency. It should actually be quote currency, because when you are saying base, let's say you are trading BTC USD. It means that the base is BTC and then the quote is USD. So they should have said select your quote currency. If I'm not wrong, you have USD and BTC, then you can go with USD itself, and also there's BTC itself. So I just choose USD, the US dollar. Then you can select the minimum arbitrage percentage that you want. So when you click here, you can see these percentages from 1% up to 50%. So let's just click something like 10%, and then you have some text that you need to enter here. So you just make sure that you enter the right text. So it's D3986. Then you click submit. Okay, so here now we have these arbitrage opportunities from these exchanges. So we have here the vertical, is it a row or column? I don't know. Maybe you can tell me if the vertical one is a row or a column. We have here coin. Then on the horizontal line, we have here the exchanges. So you can actually change the view so that the exchanges come on the vertical direction, then the coins go on the horizontal part. And then there's very vital information that you need to now check here. You can see here, you can find lowest price marked red and highest price marked green. You are being told on a particular token, this is the exchange trading on the lowest price, and then this is the exchange trading on the highest price. So the lowest one is red, highest green, so that you can take arbitrage opportunity on the one that will give you the most profits. If I change my view now, you can see how this thing now comes. So I have here now the coins on the horizontal part, the top part, then I have the exchanges vertically. So if you wanted to take opportunity on Ascent X, then the first token that you'd find opportunity on is it ChubUSDT. I said that I don't use Ascent X, so it will be so hard for me to execute opportunities using Ascent X. So I'll just go here to one of the exchanges that I use. So let's see something like Binance. Then it's saying KSM trading at $21. We are tracking it vertically. You can see here KSM on Binance is going for $21. Then the lowest price for KSM is now on Bitstamp, going for 21.1619. So with that one, you can find a small arbitrage opportunity if you bought KSM on Bitstamp and then sold on Binance for $21.33. But now, if you wanted to take the most advantage on KSM, then you'd buy on Bitstamp, which is the lowest price, sell it on Indodax. You can see they're saying that Indodax price for KSM is $37.8811. So I'm not really sure about that one, because as I was tracking this data in the CoinArbitrageBot, I realized that most of this data is not correct. They are false. So you need to really be keen when you're going to now try to execute opportunities from the data being shown to you on CoinArbitrageBot. I'm just going to show you on how most of the data here are wrong. It doesn't mean that this free tool is giving us the right data. No. There are some rules that you'll need to play with in order to benefit from arbitrage opportunities. Something like the transfer time. How long is it taking you to withdraw tokens from Binance and send it to Bitstamp? Because if it takes so much time, then the arbitrage opportunity can go away, and now you'll be losing money by not being in a position to sell the bot tokens. Then, what blockchain are you using? Because we all know that the Ethereum blockchain always have so much or very high gas fees. So when you're going to trade a token that is on the Ethereum blockchain, then your gas fees will now eat so much of your profit. So you need to check on the blockchain that you are going to use in order to buy this token. If at all you saw or see an opportunity on the BSC network and another opportunity is present on the Ethereum blockchain, I believe it would be wise to take the opportunity on the BSC, because the gas fees on BSC are so negligible. You will be saving so much from the gas. There are some exchanges that it's so hard to do KYC, because remember, with the centralized exchanges, you really need to do or finish the KYC before even trying to withdraw funds. If you don't do it, then they will hold your money. You can't make withdrawals. And we need to do these trades frequently. We need not just buy and sell once. The only way to profit is to take multiple trades. And if at all you are not in a position to withdraw your funds, then you are going to miss out on these opportunities. So look on those exchanges that is so easy to do KYC. So I'll pick Mexi in order to enable us to just take a deep dive into one single exchange. We can't really track everything. When you're tracking everything, you are tracking nothing. So let's just go with Mexi as our example in this video, so that with the same knowledge, you'll now be able to replicate it in order to find these arbitrage opportunities. Here are now the opportunities that are present on the Mexi exchange. We have the coin, we have the buy exchange, the buy price for that coin, and then the sell exchange, the sell price for the coin that you are going to buy, and now the profit in terms of percentages. We are being presented with some of the crucial data we need in order to execute arbitrage. But is it really true to say that these percentages that we are seeing as the arbitrage opportunities are right? Because I've been here tracking this thing live and I've tried executing them, and most of them are not right. I'll be taking Mexi and Radium, and then also Mexi and XT. So the first two opportunities presented for us are the ones that I'm going to try and interact with. I already have an account with XT, and Radium is a decentralized exchange, so you can access it so long as you have a Phantom wallet. It's a decentralized exchange based on the Solana blockchain. So for me, I have Solana wallet, which is Phantom, so I'll easily access Radium. So let's first go with the first coin, which is USD DNA. I'm using Mexi as my base exchange, so I'll go and find this DNA on Mexi. I'm here on my Mexi account, so I want to track DNA. I'll just go on trade. So here is trade. So once I have here trade, and then I'll go under the coin. So you can see there's Mavia USD. Now I just want to click there in order to find DNA. So DNA USDT. You can see DNA is trading at $0.00265 right now on Mexi. I want to find info about this DNA. So you can see the candlestick icon here. So I'll just click there in order to now find info about this DNA. So when I click it, now you can see the price, that is the graph. So what's really important for me right now is to go under the info. So I'll go under the info to see what this DNA is all about. So you can see here there's the issue time, max supply, circulating supply, market cap is 4.25 million, and then the issue price is blank. So I now want to find the contract address of DNA, so that I know that when I go to XT, I'm dealing with the right token. So just click on the block explorer. So as you can see here, it's saying solscan.io. So this DNA token is a token on the Solana blockchain. So let's visit the site. This is the contract address for DNA. So I now want to go to XT and confirm that the DNA that we are being shown within CoinArbitrageBot is the same DNA that's present on XT. So come here on trade again. So when you are here on trade, you will now be able to access DNA. So I have from my search history, DNA is present here. So I just click DNA. And then now you can see this token is trading at 0.0, so many zeros, 236. That's a really big arbitrage opportunity. But is it really correct to say that this DNA we are seeing on XT is the same DNA that is available on Mexi? So let's just click on the candlestick icons. Under XT, you click on crypto overview. From just looking at this one without going even on the blockchain explorer, you can see the icon for DNA. I want you to look on the icon here. this icon on DNA within XT. Is it the same one that we were seeing on Mexi? There's XT and then there's Mexi. Looking at these two icons, DNA on Mexi and then DNA on XT, I can already see that the icons or the logos themselves don't match. So I strongly believe that we are being presented by the wrong data within CoinArbitrageBot. So that's how to simply look on these ones. But the best way is again to just go on the block explorer. Already you can see this contract address for the token on XT doesn't match the one on Mexi. You strongly now believe that we are being presented by the wrong data. So this is how you can now make sure that you are seeing what's really true within the centralized exchanges. What if it's now the centralized exchange against the decentralized exchange? How do you do it? How do you track the correct data? The second opportunity that was present for us is on USD RBT, present on Mexi and Radian. So let's just go and find RBT within Mexi. You can see here RBT is trading for $254 on Mexi right now. So we want to now make sure that the one that is shown on Mexi is also the same one that we are going to see on Radium. I'll be going with the block explorer. So it's now rubyexplorer.com. So from this Ruby Explorer, I want to believe that this is the contract address, because it's now not telling me contract address, but I want to believe that's the contract address. Or as well, you can use the likes of CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to find the contract address. I know that RBT is trading for $254 right now. So I just search here RBT. So you can see the first one is RBT. There's RBT. So you need to make sure that you are seeing the one that is trading for $254. So it's the third one here. The Explorer is also Ruby Explorer. We are now tracking the right token. So let's find the contract address. And now you can see the market is Mexi. There's L-Bank. And then from just using CoinMarketCap, I can already see that the price difference is just the same, $254. So what you are seeing on the CoinArbitrageBot is probably not right. You can use the other crypto research tools in order to just confirm that what you are seeing is the right thing. I'm not seeing the contract address on CoinMarketCap, but let's try and use what we were given within Ruby Explorer. So I just go to my Phantom wallet. This contract address is not really showing me the RBT, but from the data that we were shown within CoinMarketCap, you can strongly believe that the opportunity is not present. You need to make sure that you are now tracking real data. Don't just take opportunities that are shown to you within the CoinArbitrageBot site. So I found earlier one of the opportunities, and it was present within Mexi and KuCoin. So I just want to show you an example of these arbitrage opportunities. If at all you find them and then you execute on them, then you'd actually make money. So the token that I found opportunity on is called Mavia. Here we are on KuCoin, and now we are seeing Mavia/USDT trading at $0.2524 on KuCoin. The same Mavia is now trading on Mexi at $0.2457. With those two prices, 24 and 25, you can already see that there's a price difference between these two exchanges. So what now you need to check on is now on the blockchain. What blockchain is this Mavia token on? Just go under your wallets, because when you check on the blockchain, you'll now be in a position to know how much fees am I going to be paying. So just click on withdraw. Then from my search history, I can already see I have via Mavia. Go to on-chain, and then you select the network. So from Mexi, you're going to be withdrawing Mavia on the ERC20 network. If Base was available, then it would be a great opportunity for us because it's so cheap to withdraw tokens on the Base network. So from this one, we can only interact with the Ethereum network, which I earlier said that you need to avoid. But on this situation, we can't avoid that one. So you'll be paying $2.21 in order to withdraw Mavia from the Mexi exchange. Let's go to KuCoin. On KuCoin, go to Assets, then Funding Wallet. We click to withdraw. History, we have Mavia. And then now we go with the network. So for this one, the network is again Ethereum network. We're going to be paying $5.04. So you can see with the blockchain on Ethereum, the gas fees are really huge. So let's assume combining with withdrawal charges and then also the trading charges, let's say it would be a total of $8 in order to execute a single trade, buying on Mexi, selling on KuCoin. A single trade, we are going to be charged $8. So let's say this arbitrage opportunity is giving us a 7% discrepancy between these two exchanges. So let's see how much money we'd be making from executing arbitrage opportunity. So I want to now bring this home. Let's drive this home. With arbitrage opportunity, 7%, 10%, or even 20%, you'd actually need a lump sum capital in order to profit from this trade. So if you wanted to trade this one, don't come here with $100. You'd be losing money. So let's start with $1,000. So we are taking trades with $1,000. We buy Mavia for $1,000 on Mexi. When we sell on KuCoin, we are making a profit of 7%. So $1,000 times 7%, we've made $70, but we've not cutted any fees. So now we were saying that the withdrawal charges plus the trading charges for these two exchanges on just a single trade, we would be losing $8. From this trade on a single one, we'd be making $62 from our $1,000 when we take a single trade. $62, I believe it's some money. It can make some difference, more so when you are located in African countries or second world countries. Then now from this $62, if you take 10 trades within a day, we take 10 trades. So our $62, when we take 10 trades, we'd be making $620 because, you know, with arbitrage opportunities, we are not actually betting on these prices going up. We are betting on the price differences only. So when it's available on KuCoin and Mexi, then you don't need the price to go up. You just need to execute your trades very fast before these price differences actually reduce so much. So when the gap is so wide, then it's for your advantage. So you need to take these trades before the gap reduces. Because when so many people take arbitrage opportunities and now the exchanges realize that there's some differences that people are actually taking on, then they will correct that arbitrage opportunity. So it's upon you to take these trades very fast before the opportunity disappears. And $600, if you do it on a single day, I believe it can make some difference. So let's say someone comes with $100 and now they want to take the same trade. Can they really make money? So $100 times 7%, then this 7%, we are saying that we are going to be losing $8 to gas fees and trading charges. So you are already on a negative $1 if you take a single trade. If you took 10 of these, then you are losing $10. So please don't come here with small money. Just come here with something like $500 and above. Then when these opportunities are present, then you'd be in a position to profit. I'm always working so hard in order to find opportunities that can make our lives better when it comes to the blockchain industry, because this is a very fast-paced world. If you really lag behind, if you don't inform yourself, then you'll be missing out on opportunities that are life-changing. So in order to get this fast-paced information, the best way to do it is always by joining my newsletter, the GekoodHub email newsletter. And I've always said this one in each and every video that I produce. Join my email newsletter, and this information I'll give them to you firsthand before I even make a video. When I find them, when I see them, and also new insights, they will always be into your email inbox. So this is how you join my email newsletter. In this video that you are watching, go in the description. I'll put the link where it says let your crypto work for you. Join the GekoodHub email newsletter. When you click that link, it will bring you to this landing page where it says free, discover the power of your crypto assets. So when you discover the power of your crypto assets, there's an ebook that you will download that will show you ways that you can make your crypto assets work for you instead of just letting them to lie there on your wallet. So what you need to do is just put your first name here. Let's say for me it's Geoffrey. Then you put your email address. When you put that one, click to download the PDF. Here is the PDF. So you earn passive income with the crypto. The PDF is written by me, Geoffrey Gekood. And then when you get that one, then you will be already into my email newsletter. And then this information that I put here on YouTube, they will be dropping to your email inbox before you even see videos. And you will also be updated when we go live. So when you want to join my live streams, I always update my email subscribers so that they come there, they come and get info with me, they come chat with me live. So please join the GekoodHub email newsletter. Let's continue working together on the crypto industry. Let's revolutionize the finance industry.